As I mentioned, simplicity is the key, and even though our backtest is very simple, it still has its own disadvantage, which I discovered cross-checking the backtest. And that is that our backtest is actually looking in the future, and that is here and here, these two lines, because it says it checks the higher of the candle, which is ahead of the actual swing. I will show you the exact case here at this stock, and we can see that the signal is valid for a few days, for a few candles till now, and the backtest can take the trade anytime in this period. Why it doesn't always take the first one? Well, it may be that thanks to the limitation on the amount of positions opened at one time, it can be on the limit. And for example, some other stock will sell at this day, and it opens the capacity, and the backtest decides to buy the other day and will buy the DIS because there is, for example, no other option or no better candidate. It will buy here in the middle of the signal period. So what happens here is that the signal period goes on till the new swing. But because our indicator, the swing indicator, is looking into the future, the backtest here knows that it is a swing because it knows about these two candles in the future. But let's say we are at this day and we don't see in the future, and we are here. We are at 27 of January 2023, and we don't know that the new swing high is forming. So we will buy based on the conditions that the open is higher than the last swing, which was here. It is still the valid signal, and we will buy. But the backtest doesn't buy anymore because it knows that in the future the swing will form. That's something that, as I mentioned, can distort the backtest result and give us a fake optimism. So I was thinking how to remove this, and AMI Broker has a function especially for this case. It is called Exrem, and we will see the documentation for it. The syntax is Exrem array1 array2, and it says returns 1 or true on the first occurrence of true signal in array 1, which for us is the breakout. So when breakout happens, it returns true on the first occurrence, which is here, right where we need it, and then returns false. So it will disable all these other consecutive signals till something other happens. And that something is specified in the array 2. So I constructed it in such a way that it will remove all these excessive signals till new swing high happens. And this is what I wrote in the code. Now I'm replacing this buy on breakout by buy on Exrem breakout, so it will buy on the first occurrence and eliminate all the others till new swing high happens. Buy first breakout and then do nothing till another swing high. Comment new line, and let's plot the new buy like this. Buy and plot the buy in color red. And we can see right here what will happen after apply. And if I disable the plot of breakout, it will show us just the new buy. So it really did what it was supposed to do: remove excessive signals and buy on the new one. Did it have a lot of effect? on the backtest, let's see. And let's just visualize, report, charts. It really did have an effect, but the equity is still growing, and now we can be much more sure that this backtest is closer to reality than before, because we removed the error which came with our backtest due to the fact that it was looking into the future.